Sabihin niyo sa akin anong mali dito. She wakes up early, drank coffee, and leaves for work by 7 a.m. Or is there no error? 5 seconds. Tamang sagot, letter B. Bakit? Isa na naman tong kaso ng faulty parallelism. Dito sa sentence na to, yung she, meron siyang routine. So may mga ginagawa siya. Gumigising siya ng maaga, nagkakape siya, tapos umaalis na siya for work. Now, yung tatlo na yan na nasa routine niya, dapat pantay-pantay, dapat parallel. Ibig sabihin, pare-pareho dapat ng structure. Yung una, yung wakes up, nasa simple present siya, which is okay, correct, kasi simple present for routines. Something na ginagawa araw-araw or lagi-lagi. So, it's something regular, it's something habitual. Kaya gumamit tayo ng simple present. Now, yung leaves ay naka-simple present din. So, matched sila, parallel yung structure. Ang naiba lang talaga is yung letter B, yung drank, kasi naka-simple past siya, which doesn't make sense first in terms of tense. Pangalawa, yun nga, in terms of parallelism, hindi na talaga siya parallel. So, dapat yung drank ay drinks para maging parallel siya dun sa dalawang kasama dun sa routine ng subject natin.